Hey everyone, Eric with Rockin' H, and this is part 2 of our series on how to get custom door decals in 1/64 scale. In the previous video, I showed you how to take the artwork you receive or at least modify the images so you can upload them and pay a graphic designer to reproduce the art in high resolution. Right after I was done processing that video, I received this email from Mr. Logo, and this is what he's got. The custom offer is $100. Let's go view the offer. Here's the email I'd sent him asking for all the different pieces of art that I needed. Here are the images. And if you recall, we had 1, 2, 3, plus the skull logo over here, 4, 5, 6 with the name up there, 7, and 8, 9, 10 pieces of art that we're asking for. Here we have the custom offer, which is $100, so it's basically 10 pieces per piece of art, and that is very acceptable to me. So I'm going to go with that and accept the offer. I already have my PayPal account tied to my Fiverr account. We'll confirm and pay. Now we have, this is an automatic window that pops up with Fiverr, and these are instructions from Mr. Logo, but we've already taken care of this. Here you can continue giving additional instructions if it's not clear. I'm going to start the order. And you can see the delivery date will be January 19th. At that point, I will receive an email saying that the work's been delivered. I can approve it or ask for modifications, and then download it after I approve. The first part of this video, I showed you how to order art, and then kind of went through the process of buying it and what you can expect in the buying process. I was surprised the job had a 2-day lead time, and at the end of the day that I ordered it, I already had the artwork delivered. What we're going to do now is take a look at what we bought. We're going to go to our dashboard and look at our orders. And here we are. So it was due on the 19th, and it was delivered the end of day the 17th. So we open up our job, and here we are. And down here at the bottom, we have our artwork. Let's just click on this one. When you open a piece of artwork or whatever project you happen to purchase, you can see there's a watermark over your artwork. You have to go over here on the right and say, are you pleased with the 8 files and are you ready to deliver? Accept the delivery. You say yes or no. If you say no, then you can go and ask for edits. And if you say yes, then the watermark is removed and you can download the artwork you've purchased or any other thing you've purchased at your discretion. What we're going to do is take a look at the Ready Mix truck. We'll scroll through our photos because we have a close-up of the truck, or the door art anyway. And here we go. You can see that the artwork was reproduced very well. We have the gross vehicle weight, we have the DOT numbers, and he even included the door latch, which I'll edit out. I don't need that, so I'll just delete that piece. Or you can ask your artist, if you hire an artist to do this, you can ask them to delete it if you wish, but that's something I'll just take care of. Let's go take another piece of art here. Let's go look and see what else we have. Okay, we have Sharky Construction Inc. Here is the door art for the gravel truck. So we'll go into Trello and take a look and find that project. We should have a close-up of the door. There it is. And we have the phone number, DOT numbers, and the weight. Good enough for that. let's see what else we have here. We'll take a look and see what else is cooking. We have the this is for the bed of the truck. I think we're going to have that modified. I think that should be orange. And if that's the case, why, we'll just ask that request. Yeah, that should be orange here rather than gray. Let's take a look at the other pieces we've got here. Whoops, went the wrong way. We have for the door of the mixer. Okay, this is for the hood of the mixer. And then one thing on the hood, we'll go ahead and take this and we'll just cut this piece out and make it much bigger for the barrel or the actual mixer part of the truck. And then we have the skull, which we wanted, which is probably just a generic piece of art someplace on the internet, no big deal there. Okay, and then we're back where we started. So about the only edit I can see is we will need this one, the Sharky Construction ink in orange, the same as the door. And I'm assuming, if you look at the real truck here, that this was probably a deeper orange at one time and it's just faded. That's kind of my guess. So what we do is we go, no, I need a revision. So you make your comments, select add, and you're done. Edits have been submitted, and now the edits are done, and we have an email from Fiverr saying, hey, take a look at your work. So we just click that link, and as you're going to see, there's been a number of edits that have kind of gone on here. And we'll just scroll down to the bottom. And you can see here that all the artwork is now complete. So we have this in orange, which it's supposed to be. We have the hood number and the breast cancer awareness emblem for the mixer and bill for the mixer, and this for the door. So that's all completed, and we are ready to go. So I'm going to approve the delivery, and I'm satisfied. We're just going to skip the feedback for this order. Once we have filled all that out and we got to this point, now you can download your artwork. And in this case, I actually have the source files. So this is Adobe Illustrator. So if you happen to have Adobe Illustrator, this is vector art, which means it's layered. It's just geeky stuff that graphic artists use. You can download that or not. You may not need it. You may not have a program to open it. I certainly don't, but we have this up here. Anyway, so these are in .png format. Now we can go and see them in the folder, and here it is. So, and I like to put all my stuff in my artwork folder, because I have art templates and different things here. All of this is artwork I've purchased over time, and then I have all of these print sheets. These are templates where I can resize art, and we'll have to do that in the next video. So the next video will be where I show you how to make a template for your art. That way you can size all of the artwork correctly when you run your decals. And we will do that next. Thanks for watching.